Hey, good morning. We just got done doing their stairs. Got a video of that coming. We also built this built-in for them. And while we were here, they asked us to fix some of the shutters for them. They had these interior shutters that were taken off. And we still have the harbor spots where they were. We're going to use this here wood filler from Bondo and our new handy dandy little sander and fill it in and knock it down for them. All right, gonna make a quick batch of this to put on here if I can get it open. Gosh, I'm on the countertop already. Be careful. We're gonna make up a decent sized batch to start. And you take the hardener, cream hardener, and I like to put too much. That way it dries a little faster. Mix it until you get a nice turquoisey color. That should be about good. And apply generously. I got shaky hands. That's why I was never good at that game operation, and also why I never became a doctor. That's why I'm just a wood guy. Can't sand internal organs. You can definitely sand some wood. Yeah, it's already starting to stiffen up. Oh, that's an ugly one. Yeah, it's definitely getting tough already. Already starting to toughen up enough to where we can scrape off the excess. That should be sandable in a few minutes. That one is going to need some love. All right, time to sand these things a little bit. See what this little sander's got. 80 grit. I'm gonna go on 3-speed. It's pretty nice. Not gonna lie, I kind of like it. My big head's probably in the way. Even got variable speed in the trigger. And then we will go ahead and make us another batch. Go ahead and skim coat that and see what we can get. Always like to put it on thick. Oh, making a mess. Yeah, that is fugly. My 10-year-old the other day asked me what that word meant. She said, "What's fugly?" I said, it's like ugly, but extra ugly. Then her mom said, "Don't go saying that around at school. We'll look like the bad parents." Can't have my little 10-year-old baby saying the F word. So fugly will suffice. Sanding, round 2. This thing does a really nice job. It gets the corners perfectly. waiting for the Bondo to dry. You want to see about the coolest wallpaper. Oh, look at these pretty trees. What is that? What? It's ZT wallpaper. It's spaceship. E.T. Elliot. Oh my gosh, this has got to be some of the coolest wallpaper I've ever seen. But yeah, back to the job. Oh, I scared you, didn't I? Pew pew. Last sanding. Let's see if we can get it. I might have to say it, but this might be my new favorite tool. Also good at massaging your face. I like it. But even with 80 grit on, I mean, it got in the corners, all the edging. Look at that. That's phenomenal. Hinge is gone. Latch hardware gone. Ready for paint. Let's get it. Another job complete. All painted in, sanded in. No more hardware. Plunges and route outs and nice old refurbished window back to looking like she did. Leave it cleaner than when you found it. That little sanding tool. Good job, Milwaukee. I think badass. Speaking of badass, this badass is hungry. See y'all. Be good.